Today is an incredibly special day where we all get to witness the union of Maddie and Zach. Looking out at all of you who came here today just warms my heart, and I know I can speak for Maddie, Zach, and our families together in saying thank you for being here today.
Country lanes and coastal plains, endless views that we're passing through, making our way to a distant place, just us two.
Today is an incredibly special day where we all get to witness the union of Maddie and Zach. Looking out at all of you who came here today just warms my heart.
Watch the sky fade into the night. With you, my arms, nothing can go wrong. We'll fall asleep on a starlit beach, just us two.
Before I speak about my brother and his beautiful bride, I would like to take a moment to acknowledge that there are, unfortunately, many loved ones that aren't physically here with us today. I would especially like to take a moment to speak the name of Maddy, Grace, and Katie's mother, Michelle, who isn't physically here with us, but I have no doubt, especially with how the weather turned out, she is here with us today.
I'll follow you to somewhere new.
Her beautiful spirit lives on in all three of her daughters. And with one of her favorite things, the ocean behind us and the beach surrounding us, there is no doubt that Michelle is here. She is smiling and sending her love.
Holy hell.
Packed some bags and we headed west. Thought that it might be the best thing for us. I was thinking about me and all the things that you leave behind, family and a peace of mind. And I got you. I'm gonna love you till the stars go out, shelter up above you till they all fall down. We ain't got light, we got love. We ain't got a lot, we got love. Floating like feathers in the heavy rain, two of us together can weather any change that comes our way. Nothing here really feels like home. Home is who you're with when you don't feel alone anymore. I am gonna love you till the stars go out, shelter up above you till they all fall down. We ain't got love, we got love. We ain't got love, we got love. till the stars go out. Shelter up above.
And so now, by the Universal Life Church in the state of Maine.
Nice.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Zach, you can kiss your bride. I have never liked a smile as much as I like yours. I've never felt as safe as I feel when I'm with you. I've never known love like I do when we're together. It's not been an easy road for me, but knowing that you will be there for me at the end makes everything okay.
Let me welcome you to Harvest. Would you mind if we got started? 'Cause I see you.
It is with honor and great pleasure to introduce, for the second time today, the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Zach B.
You can see every play, and I will tell you something that I figured out the hard way. Heaven knows I do find a peace, paradise hidden in the weeds, but not just me in real life. Love that no one can take away. It's a little more to every day, but not just me in real life. The cold gets in your jacket, and sometimes you just hear static. It doesn't mean you gotta change your ways. That's just life some days. Don't go messing with your heart.
So I was recently reading an article in the Wall Street Journal about two men named Lou Wilcox and Bobby Warback. Lou and Bobby would take turns picking each other up to run errands, talk about their families, discuss home projects, all over breakfast, enjoying each other's company. Lou and Bobby had grown up on the same street and have been friends for 60 years now. And their relationship is a testament to how important best friends can be in your life. Lou and Bobby never outgrew their friendship despite life's trials and tribulations. In a world where friends are hard to come by, and best friends even more so, we could all stand to learn a thing or two from Lou and Bobby. He has always been there. There hasn't been a time where I didn't think that he had my best interests at heart. I look forward, Zach, to our friendship being like Lou and Bobby, one that will most certainly span 60 plus years. I hope one day our kids will have that same friendship. And I guess I will settle now for being co-best friends with Matty, your new beautiful wife. So that being said, let's all raise a toast one more time for the new Mr. and Mrs. B.
Don't you go messing with your heart. That's the only thing that beats the same. It reminds you from where you came.
In the wise words of Phoebe Buffet, Maddy had found her lobster, and our mom knew it before everyone else. Zach, you've been an unofficial part of the family since then, and we could not be happier that it's finally been made official today.
Heaven knows I do find a piece of paradise hidden in the weeds when I get to see you in real life. It's just you in real life. Heaven knows I do find a piece of paradise hidden in the weeds when it is paradise. Just be you, love that no one can take away. It's a little more to dance away, more to just be. I do find a piece of paradise hidden in the weeds when
what's a wedding without a best man?